this?
Green.
Green, very good. And the number? What is the number?
Three.
Number 3. Very good. And what is this? Triangle. Are you going to color the triangle? Hey? Hey? Tonai? Color the triangle? Color? That's the triangle. 3. Yes. What color is your shirt? That's number 3. What color is your shirt? 9. What color is your shirt? Kangaroo on it. But what color is it? Kangaroo. What color? What? Yellow. Yes. And your pants? And this? What number?
1.
Number 1. Very good. What's this? 2. What is this? Huh? Rhino.